What's up? This is the Twist Chick, and you are watching my first video on my YouTube channel. I am a master loctician and a licensed barber in San Diego, California, and I want to show you guys some cool stuff, so stay tuned. So this is my client coming in, and I just washed and conditioned the hair. So now we're going to retwist, style, and cut off some of the sides so he could get a nice clean taper and a beard lineup. Here I'm separating the hair, trying to shape the taper. Usually taper goes diagonal, and he's getting a high taper, so I'm going to cut it diagonally. And also, when I do cut the dreads, I cut at the lock part, not the new growth part. That way, if I need to add hair to the other dreads, all I have to do is part it and add the hair. There goes the hair right there. I only cut the dread part, not the new growth. Here you can see it again, cutting off by the lock, not the new growth. There you go. We're gonna step away from the taper for a little bit. For now, I want to talk about my retwist. People always ask me all the time, what gel do you use? What product do you use? The gel that it's on my hand is called My Gel by Joey. I love it. It's all natural, and it's the best product I've used so far as retwisting. It's long lasting, and my clients love it as well. The buildup is less, there's no flakes, everyone loves it. So I'll put the link in the description below if you want to know where to get it. So as you see, I take my time parting the hair, getting every little hair out of the way so that I could run my teeth through the gel and twist and keep twisting until it can curl and hold in place. Now I only do this with long locks. Usually with shorter locks I need clips, but with long locks it's a lot faster if I can just twist it until it curls up like that, and then I'll be able to style later. So now I finished retwisting the back, and it's time to retwist around the taper. So as you see here, I'm separating the new growth from the lock, and I'm also adding new growth to a lock, so that way the taper can be a nice shape. Now I'm going to be retwisting around the taper so we can have a nice clean look. Taper fades are something you need to work on. I highly suggest you focus more on your lineups. A good lineup will really make a haircut pop out. So as you see, I'm pushing all the little hairs in the front. That way in the future I could cut the hairs down and then line it up after I put some holding spray on it. Here's another angle of me combing the little hairs down, making sure it's separated from the lock. The front is already retwisted, so I just keep combing all the little hairs down, making sure that it looks perfect. Now I know this looks crazy right now, but I'm telling you it's gonna look amazing afterwards. All I need to do is just cut all that hair off where the locks were before. Now I'm using a VGR, and the detachable is a 1 guard. Normally people wouldn't use a guard that low. I am going with the grain, so it's not as low. However, I do cut it that low because I don't like hair sticking out when it's close to the dread. It just looks really messy, and it looks cleaner if it's lower and there's less hair close to the dread. Now here I'm just going to be balding diagonally with my Slimline Pros. I love these things. They're my babies. Next I'm going to be fading the hair using my fast feeds. I use my fast feeds to fade every type of hair. However, with black hair I feel like it fades the cleanest. It just looks so good afterwards. Now I'm going to start the lineup with my Andis cordless T-outliners. These are really good for lining up the back and the front. I really like these. Now here I switched back to the Slimline Pros because the blade is smaller and I'm able to get through these tight corners on the beard. To clean up the goatee in the inside, outside, by the lip, everywhere. Now I'm going to make a clean line underneath. When I shave the beard with the shears, I always comb the hair out very well so that I could get all the little hairs sticking out. Every woman loves a man with a clean beard, so I would try to make it as clean as possible. So now that the client is lined up and the taper is looking good, beard is looking good, and I also used a razor, now it's time to style his hair. So this particular client wants 6 lobster braids going straight back. So right now I'm parting the hair to make sure the locks and parts are perfectly aligned. This part is really tricky, so I had a lot of practice to try to get the braids to look really clean and straight. So I just want you guys to sit back, enjoy, and watch me do this beautiful style.
So this is the finished look. Wash, retwist, taper, and lineup and beard lineup. Looks so nice. Don't you just love it? Look at that smile. Look at it. Look at it. He loves it. I love it. Please comment and subscribe, like, all that great stuff. I hope you guys liked my video, and there'll be more coming soon. Thank you.